In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google Services, over here. Now tap on All Services at the top on the right and scroll to click on AutoFill with Google. Now select Google Password Manager by clicking on it on the left and click on any password you want to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Click the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!